For those of you needing help with choosing a topic, here are a few things you can do to generate some ideas. As a starting point, consult your textbook. Open it to the table of contents and take note of the subjects discussed in each chapter. If something catches your interest, flip to that section and just skim through it to see if something stands out to you, whether it be something in the area of advances in medical technology, AI and robotics, GMOs, fuel alternatives, or something else. Jot down a few ideas, type them into your online search engine, and do a little research. Now, if you're still undecided about a topic, try this. Check out the MIT Technology Review website. There are numerous technologies discussed on that site, and there's a good chance one or more will spark your curiosity. Do take note of the particular section on the site entitled Topics. This was suggested by a previous student. Many have selected topics just by reading through the articles on that site. Likewise, be sure to peruse popular news media that have been well established and have to uphold a high degree of professionalism. For example, CNN. On their homepage, you'll notice they have a tech section. Check it out. Furthermore, Reuters also has a technology section. You'll find one on the BBC landing page, as well as other media news resources. Another approach is simply to brainstorm. Take a piece of paper or your notebook and just write down ideas that come to mind while thinking about technologies that you interact with on a daily basis. Technologies you often take for granted, like your cell phone, your computer, eyewear or other wearable technologies, your automobile, and food. Now reflect on them for a moment. How many technologies have developed involving the use of a smartphone or other computing device? All kinds of them. Write them down. Have you heard or read about the controversy involving wearing Google Glass while dining in restaurants? Type it into your search engine and see what you find. And what about advances in the automobile industry with the innovation of autonomous vehicles such as Google Car? You might also consider some of the controversies involving wearing Google Glass technology while driving. Finally, think about what you had for breakfast or lunch today and ask yourself how many of the ingredients were genetically modified without you knowing about it. Surprise, many of them were, especially if they contained corn or soy. Lastly, have a look at some examples of previous student topics. These should give you a good idea as to the types you want to be looking for. You may choose one that you see here. That's fine since you'll be doing your own work, drawing on your own sources, and taking your own angle. Just do keep in mind that you want this project to be about what interests you. If you still need some help, be sure to contact me and I'll walk you through each of these steps until we find something.